Double entry system, like, so what is double entry system in bookkeeping? In accounting, it is a system of bookkeeping where every entry to an account requires a corresponding and opposite entry to a different account. Means if there are two accounts, let's say cash account and capital account, so one will be debited and other will be credited. So this is the double entry system in bookkeeping. It means both sides, means debit side and credit side, will be equal. The double entry system has two equal and corresponding sides known as debit and credit. The left side is known as debit and right side is known as credit. Look at this cash account. This is the one ledger account is there. The left side is known as a debit and right side is known as a credit. So this is the ledger account that we have here. We will be preparing this kind of ledgers with the different accounts in the upcoming session. In a normally debited account, what happens? Assets account or the expenses account. These are the two accounts. When what happens if the amount of these two headings, like two account, increase with debited? It means a debit increases the value, increases the total quantity of money or financial value, and credit decreases the amount or value. For example, that you have invested $10,000 in the business, so $10,000 has come in the business, means cash has come in the business. So cash is there $10,000, and after then $5,000 again that you have invested cash in the business, means cash is assets. So if assets are increasing, it definitely you will put on the debit side, like it will be debited, cash account debit. So debit increase the value and credit decrease the value. This rule is applicable in case of assets and expenses account. So how it happens and how we will calculate this one, how it is going to increase or decrease the assets, that we will do with the help of some examples. Look at this screen and you will see on the assets, when we debit it, it increase, and credit, that is for a decrease. And liability is the opposite of that. Debit for decrease and credit for increase. And equities just like same as the liabilities, debit for decrease and credit for increase. So we need to understand these rules, when to debit and when to credit. On the basis of debit and credit, the amount in that particular account will increase or decrease. On the other hand, means on the other side of the assets and expenses, we have liabilities and revenue. The liability account or the revenue account, credit increase the account's value and debit decrease the account value. It's opposite of assets and expenses account. In double entry bookkeeping, a transaction always affect at least two accounts. Always include at least one debit and one credit, and always has total debits and total credits are equal. So that's why this is known as double entry system. Look at this equation. Assets are equal to owner's equity plus liabilities. So that's why both sides are equal. Asset side is equal to the liability side. In the liability side, we have owner's equity and outsider liabilities. For example, if a business takes out a bank loan for $10,000 and recording the transaction would require a debit of 10,000 to an asset which is called cash, as well as credit of $10,000 to a liability called note payable. So note payable is when we take loan from bank and we put signature that in future we will pay it back, that is known as note payable. So it means just like a loan account, you can say. So cash account debit to note payable. One will be debit and one will be credit.